welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update and your friend needs job update, please share this telegram link with your friend and join it. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job is a quantitative analyst for Delhi location. This is full-time opportunity and prefer work experience is 1 year and salary is 19k to 20k per month. Uh, okay, and there is benefit and all and how to apply this job. You have click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst for Anand Gujarat location and salary is 45k to 70k per month. This is also full-time opportunity for experienced person and this is your job role and responsibility and all and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst trainer for remote means work from home location and salary is 9 LPA per year. This is also full-time opportunity for work from home location and who can apply this role who have teaching experience of 2 years in data analytics and how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is market research analyst level 2. This is for Noida, Uttar Pradesh location and salary is 32k to 50k per month. This is full-time opportunity for the experienced person and this is job description and all and minimum requirement minimum experience is 1 to 3 years of experience in must have and a strong communication and expertise in Excel and other statistical tools. Our next job is data analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location. Salary is 20k to 50k per month. This is contracted temporary job role. This is not permanent. Okay, and qualification or experience need 2 years of experience you have needed for this job and how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail and skill need like Google Analytics, Google BigQuery, BI engine and all. And our next job is data analyst for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location and salary 8k to 36k per month. This is full-time opportunity for fresher and as well as experienced person as well. And this is your key project like you can see here and Indian Air Force and all and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior data analyst for Ahmedabad location again and salary is 50k to 70k per month and this is full-time opportunity and a night shift a day shift and Monday to Friday is working hour and SQL is like SQL, Python, Tableau and R and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is market research analyst for Mohali, Punjab location and salary is 25k to 35k per month. This is also full-time opportunity for fresher and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for West Bengal location and salary is 40k to 20k per month and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior data analyst. This is also from Ahmedabad, Gujarat location and salary is 50k to 70k per month and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location and salary is 25 to 30k and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is market research analyst. This is Ahmedabad location and how to apply you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business